Alright, so here's a quick tutorial on how you can speed up your videos using the SYN-FX app on iOS. So here we've got this pretty long video of a plane flying. It's like 1 minute long. So basically what we're gonna do is just tap the video and then go down and scroll forward to speed. And then we can just pick a speed number. So let's do 10x. So this is gonna speed it up super fast. So now you can see the whole thing is just done in like 10 seconds. And if we want it slightly longer, we can set it to 5. So instead of 10 seconds, it's going to be double the amount. So yeah, it went from 7 to 15. So now you can see it's going slightly slower. And yeah, there you go. That's about it. So this feature is basically free. You can just speed up your videos as much as you want. You can do 1x, 2x, 5, 10, anything in between. And yeah, that's it. So try it out and let us know what you think. The higher you speed it up, the shorter the video is going to be. So you need a longer video to be able to slow them down. All right, this was the SYN-FX app, and thank you for watching.